What is the best electric scooter for beginners? Here are my full reviews of the best electric scooter for beginners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter. Highlighted features. Comes with an innovative PowerCore technology with an 85 watts high torque hub motor. Rechargeable 12 volts lead acid battery. Up to 80 minutes of continuous riding. Lightweight all steel frame. Efficient front brake and retractable kickstand. Rear wheel drive offers better control and traction. Up to 10 miles per hour top speed. Nothing can be more precious than the smile on your kid's face. Bring a smile of joy to your child with the Razer PowerCore E90 electric scooter. This is nothing but an impressive addition to your kid's outdoor entertainment who wants to experience the adventure of riding an electric scooter. With the improved 85 watts hub motor and 80 minutes of runtime, your kid will have plenty of time to practice and master it more conveniently. Keeping in mind the safety of your younger kid, it has incorporated a dual braking system. Due to having airless tires that won't be damaged easily, it requires less maintenance. This scooter is perfect for energetic kids to keep them busy and on the move all the time. With 10 miles per hour top speed, your kid will experience the thrill of riding. The rear-wheel drive makes it perfect for beginners and makes it easy to learn balance. The one-press green button allows your kid to change the acceleration conveniently. Age recommendation for Razer PowerCore E90. All the features and specifications have made it suitable for younger kids aging between 8 to 12 years. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Razer E100 electric scooter. Highlighted features. Blue LED light on the deck that flushes with throttling. Two 12 volts rechargeable batteries. 8-inch wide deck that can hold up to 120 pounds. 100 watts chain-driven motor. Slip-resistant grips with bumpers. Stylish and responsive front brake. 10 miles per hour top speed. Here is another marvelous addition to our top-rated list. If you're looking for a stylish and fast scooter to make your child's outdoor entertainment more enjoyable, Razer E100 Glow electric scooter is a perfect choice. This scooter features two 12 volts batteries that are rechargeable. The lightweight frame can hold up to 120 pounds without any hassle. The kickstart motor can cruise at a maximum of 10 miles per hour speed. The slow kickstarting mechanism makes it easy to ride for kids who have less coordination and balance capability. The front air tire measures 8 inches while the back tire is a bit smaller. However, due to air tires, it offers an extremely fast and smooth riding experience. The slip-resistant hand grips and responsive braking system offer a safer ride. Age recommendation for Razer E100. This scooter is suitable for kids aging 8+ years old. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Gotrax GKS electric scooter. Highlighted features. Safety start mechanism. Smooth acceleration. 150 watts motor with 7.5 miles per hour top speed. 154 pounds weight capacity. Lightweight design with 17 pounds weight. Made of aircraft grade metal. Fire retardant deck. So, are you in search of your kid's first scooter? You may not prefer something that has hundreds of good features but is hard to master, right? As a beginner, your kid requires something special, where the Gotrax GKS electric scooter comes in as the best introductory electric scooter in sense of price-performance ratio. This scooter features a safety start mechanism that works in a sequence with 2 foot-controlled buttons. Due to its lightweight design, it is very easy to move around. It is equipped with a 150-watt 6 inches motor that accelerates up to 7.5 miles per hour. What's about durability? Well, it is constructed with aircraft-grade metal and the deck is fire-resistant. In addition, its color variant allows your child to choose their favorite one. Age recommendation for Swagtron K5. This scooter is designed for kids rather than teenagers mainly. This is most suitable for kids aging 6 to 12 years. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Segway Ninebot E8 electronic kick scooter. Highlighted features: cruise mode that allows starting a ride just by kicking. Front shock absorption prevents bumping. Integrated battery design with a lithium-ion battery, controller, and an intelligent BMS control system. Durable construction made of aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. TPR handles grips. Lightweight and foldable design offers more portability. High-performance braking system with EBS energy recovery brake function. If you're looking for the perfect Christmas or birthday present for your child, Segway Ninebot E8 electronic kick scooter might be the best option for you. Its safety specs, advanced features, and handling all are incorporated in such a way that offers smooth riding even to the most inexperienced riders at ease. When you're intending to buy your kid's first scooter, you might expect something that offers the highest safety and comfort. Luckily, Segway E8 delivers you both of these. Is your child a beginner? Don't worry, the curved and comfortable handlebars with TPR grips of ZING E8 are the perfect tonic that allows your child to feel more confident while riding. If we talk about lightness, durability, and portability, ZING E8 is enough to impress you. The durable construction of this scooter is structured with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, while the lightweight and foldable design offer better portability. Moreover, the anti-skid tires and front shock suspension keep your child safe all the time. Age recommendation for Segway Ninebot E8. This amazing 3-wheeler is ideal for kids aging 6 to 12 years. However, its top speed and other features meant it is perfect for the ages between 9 and 10. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Swagtron SK1 electric scooter. Highlighted features: rear motors kick in automatically after reaching 3 miles per hour. An extra wide, no slip 4 inches deck for growing feet provides better balance. Rugged iron frame for lasting durability. No loose cords, cables, and wires make it kid-friendly. Reliable braking with rear foot brake. Quick 3-hour charge time. An adjustable handlebar allows accommodating the growing height of your kid. Up to 143 weight holding capacity with 6.2 miles per hour top speed. Want to give a cool looking scooter to your growing kid? Maybe you need a Swagtron SK1 electric scooter that allows your child to master scooting more easily like never before. Comes in 2 beautiful colors that might attract your child. It features an advanced speed monetization that allows your kid to ride it as a kick scooter to 3 miles per hour. After reaching 3 miles per hour, the rear motor will automatically boost the speed up to 6.2 miles per hour. The extra wide and non-slip deck is enough to accommodate growing feet and provides better balance. What's more, it's an adjustable handlebar, meaning it can grow with your child. Well, we have covered some unique features, but what about safety? Safety should be the first priority when it's about your kid. Keeping in mind that fact, the SK1 scooter comes with an efficient rear foot brake that responds very quickly. Age recommendation for Swagtron SK1. This is a perfect scooter for beginners. Kids from 5 to 10 years old can easily ride it. The adjustable feature has an added extra benefit that helps to cope with increased height and weight. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.